Good afternoon, sir. Many thanks for the purchase on the Kydex neck sheath here for the Victorinox Swiss Champ. Awesome knife. Borderline overkill, but I think when you utilize this sheath, it really enables you to carry this thing and go unnoticed. I mean, unless you wear a necklace, this part of your body is usually, not being utilized, so it makes it kind of nice to know that you have 30 plus tools on you at any given time without clustering your pocket. Blah, blah, blah. As you can see, it's going to click in there nice. Just give it a little, comes out pretty easy. Now if you were to attach a lanyard here, it would give you a little bit more of a handful and make it easier to draw out. That's all up to you. If you get this sheath and you have any issues at all, I don't know if the Champs vary over generations for one reason or another. I have a newer one. But if you get yours and have any issues, just let me know, sir, and I'll take care of you, alright? Thanks again.